How to fix screen not turning off automatically in iPhone. So let's start the video. So first of all, open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option display and brightness. Now click on display and brightness. After clicking on display and brightness, then scroll down and here you can see the option auto lock. Now click on it. And if you select never, then your screen never turn off automatically. And if you select 5 minutes, then your screen turn off automatically 5 minutes. So if you select never, then your screen will never turn off automatically. Now select 30 seconds, your screen will turn off automatically by 30 seconds. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.